Hi, welcome to TysConsciousKitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make an alkaline electric vegetable quinoa. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. SEBI'S nutritional guide, and they are cooked quinoa, zucchini, red onions, Roman tomatoes, green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, oregano, basil, cayenne powder, onion powder, and sea salt. So let's begin. Now we're going to saute our vegetables. We're going to add some grapeseed oil, or you use avocado oil. Maybe like 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to add the onions, the peppers, the red, the yellow, and the green. We're going to add the zucchini. We're going to add the seasonings, the onion powder, the oregano, the basil, the sea salt, the cayenne powder, and then the tomatoes. We're going to saute this for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding our quinoa. So after about 5 minutes of sauteing it, we're going to add the cooked quinoa. We're going to toss it. We're going to add a little bit of water. We're going to cook it for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. And there it is, Alkaline Electric Vegetable Quinoa. You can find this great recipe in my Volume 4 cookbook. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.